Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Luma AI app. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Luma AI. You need to download and open that app. Once you open here you can see home, create and library. So here you can see generative video model, create high quality videos from text and images. So here you can create your library. So I want to create, you have three options: upload, record and guided. So while using the app, allow this, and now you can slowly move the camera around the object that you want to select. You can upload from your smartphone and you can record something that you want to record. So it is up to you how you can use that. So basically I am logging with my account. You need to log in from your account first to use this app. So this is our process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.